If you like hand-painted black and white checks and you like hand-painted Whimsy and you're looking for items to add to your decor collection, this little ginger jar air diffuser might be a piece you want to grab. Welcome, I'm Jeanette the Crafty Hobbit, and in this video it's a new in the shop item, little shopping video blurb on this ginger jar air diffuser. Now it's super cute and it has a little lid that goes on top, air diffuser holes all the way around the piece so that you can add scented material inside, wax, chips, potpourri, or maybe you don't want to use it as a scent diffuser. Maybe you want to use it just for storage for cotton balls, Q-tips, or other small items. But it's great to hide scented material in a small bathroom, next to a guest room bedside, or maybe on your mantle, depending on the power of the scent that you're using. Smaller areas it would be more effective in, but also standalone, you don't have to put anything in it. It's a cute little decor item. The little hand-painted florals around the outside it's in very pale pink, so it's just a touch of color to add to your decor. The inside is still the original fired ceramic, so you can put virtually anything you want to inside for it to be safe. A link for this item is in the video down below. That will take you over to the shop and you can mix and match with other items or just shop around and see what you can find. If you want to see new items that come to my shop, one of a kind and unique to add to your collection, subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. That way, when a new item is on the shelf in the shop, you'll know about it right away. And if it's your four-year fit, you can grab it up really quickly. Thank you so much for stopping by, and we'll see you on the next one.